Hello everyone, a very warm welcome you all. You are watching The Paperist and I am Garima. Today I am talking about Women's Day. International Women's Day is globally holiday celebrated annually on March 8 to commemorate the cultural, political and social economic achievement of women. It is also a focal point in women's rights movement, bringing attention to issues such as gender equality, reproductive rights, violence and abuse against women. Spurred on by the universal female suffrage movement that had begun in New Zealand, International Women's Day originated from labor movement in North America and Europe during early 20th century. The earliest version was purportedly a Women's Day, organized by the Socialist Party of America in New York City. February 28, 1909. The inspired German delegates at the 1910 International Socialist Women Conference to purpose a special Women's Day be organized annually. Built with no set date, the following year saw the first demonstration and commemorations of International Women's Day across Europe. After women gained suffrage in Soviet Russia in 1917, the beginning of February Revolution, International Women's Day was made national holiday on March 8. The subsequently celebrated on that date by the socialist movement and communist countries, the holiday was associated with far left movements and governments until its adoption by global feminist movement in late 1960s. International Women's Day became the mainstream globally holiday following in adoption by United Nations in 1977. International Women's Day is commemorated in variety of ways worldwide, and it is a public holiday in several countries and observed socially and locally in others. The UN observed the holiday in connection with a particular issue, campaign or theme in women's rights. In some part of the world, International Women's Day still reflects its political origin, being marked by protest and calls for radical change. In other areas, particularly in the West, it is largely socio-cultural and centered on celebration by womanhood. International Women's Day is commemorated in variety of ways worldwide. It is public holiday in several countries and observed socially and locally in others. The UN observes the holiday in connection with particular issue, campaign or theme in women's rights. In some part of the world, International Women's Day still reflects its political origin, being marked by protest and calls for radical change. In other areas, particularly in the West, it is largely socio-cultural and centered on celebration of womanhood. The earliest purported Women's Day observed called National Women's Day was held February 28, 1909 in New York City, organized by Socialist Party of America at the suggestion of activist Theresa Markle. There have been claims that the day was commemorating a protest by women garment workers in New York at March 8, 1857. But researchers have alleged this to be a myth indeed to detach International Women's Day from the socialist origin. International Women's Day initially had no set date, though it was generally celebrated in late February or early March. Americans continued observed National Women's Day on the last Sunday in February, while Russia observed International Women's Day for the first time in 1913 on the last Saturday in February. Albeit based on Julian calendar as the Georgian calendar, the date was March 8. In 1914, International Women's Day was held in March 8 for the first time in Germany, probably because that date was Sunday. As elsewhere, Germany observed the dedicated to women's right to vote, which German women did not win until 1918. International Women's Day remained predominantly a communist holiday until roughly 1967, which it taken up by second wave feminists. The day re-emerged as a day of activism and sometimes known as in Europe as the Women's International Day of Struggle. In the 1970s and 1980s, women's groups were joined by leftists and labor organizations in calling for equal pay, equal economic opportunities, equal legal rights, reproductive rights, subsidized childcare, and the prevention of violence against women. The United Nations began celebrating International Women's Day in 1975, which had been proclaimed the International Women's Year. In 1977, the United Nations General Assembly invited member states to proclaim March 8 as an official UN holiday. For women's rights and women's peace, it has since commemorated annually by UN and much of the world, which each year observed centered on particular theme or issue within women's rights. International Women's Day sparked violence in Tehran, Iran on March 4, 2007 when police beat hundreds of men and women who were planning a rally. A previous rally for the occasion was held in Tehran in 2003. By the 21st century, International Women's Day has been criticized by heavily diluted and commercialized, particularly in West, where they are sponsored by major corporations and used to promote general and vogue notions of equality rather than radical social reforms. The website internationalwomensday.com was established in 2001. It sets out a yearly theme and hashtags. Unconnected with UN projects, in 2009, the website has been managed by British marketing firm Aura Ventures with corporate sponsorship. The website began to promote hashtags as themes for the day, which became used internationally. The day was commemorated by business breakfast and social media communications that were deemed by some social critics as reminiscent of Mother's Day greetings. The 2022 UN theme for International Women's Day in Gender Equality, Today for a Sustainable Tomorrow, looking to highlight the contribution of women and girls around the globe who participate in the communities promoting on climate change, adoption, migration and responses in order to build more sustainable future for all. Thank you. This is for today. If you like our video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, The Paperist, and hit the bell icon.